this side is done. If it look weird, it's because I got lazy up to like this braid and on up, but now I got the other side. 6 braids. 6. I'm so tired. It's like 3 something in the morning right now. I started my hair, I think Monday evening. Today is Thursday. So y'all know I have everything parted off, but I'm not gonna start recording until I start making my way up to the front. Y'all, I just wanna go to sleep. We need to just go ahead and get through. We just go ahead and get through. So I'm in the front now. I did 3 back here. I'm not even sure if y'all can see, but I did these 3 already. Just one more. I'm telling y'all, if I get through with this, I'm going to bed. I'm not even gonna dip my ends or nothing. I'm going to bed. Going to bed, because I can do that in the morning. I'm not even finna worry about this right now. Look how far. Look how far I am. I'm not taking this braid down. I'm not taking this braid down. That's gonna have to do. I'm not taking this braid down, bro. So y'all, I finished my hair yesterday, 2 days ago, whichever one. They look alright. The parts look kind of funky in the front. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but like right here, these 2 are 2 different sizes. Obviously, the ones in the front right here. Other than that, they look okay.